program was written by a programmer named Bob Morris, which will become oddly relevant later in the video. Then it was placed in a password file, so when a user logged into their account, Unix would pass the password through crypt and compare the scrambled version to the one stored in the password file. If they matched, Unix would let the user in. What the worm did here was run this process in reverse. It carried a list of 400 commonly used passwords, ran them through a modified version of crypt, and compared them to the scrambled versions. If one matched, the worm would use it to log in. Then there was a fourth method, the finger daemon. The finger functionality was a way to look for users in Unix. It would give out names, addresses, and phone numbers of active users. This was the closest thing to social media in the 80s. The worm exploited a flaw in the system. The finger had room for 512 characters of data, but the worm sent 536. Those extra 24 characters hid a malicious request, forcing the finger server to stop looking for names and hand control to the worm. Up to this point, the worm behaved exactly as intended. Unfortunately, there was a small detail that its master had miscalculated, and to understand this mistake, we need to look at the code. But wait, the code is not the only interesting thing we have to show you.